G'day, here's a parcel of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's mixed fields. Material's been wetted to help show the colours. Rules in millimetres. Just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. These have been just basically scooped out of a larger bucket of pieces and just dumped onto the table here in a pile. They vary in quality. It's just basically a piece of potch. A lot of colour in that piece. Others have nice patterns and colours. That piece. This piece could be cut in half. It's only thin, but cut it so you've got a couple of different shaped stones there. Piece of Koroite type material. Little veins of colour. Piece with blue face, piece of potch, bit of colour showing through underneath there, like so. It's a little bit better. Like I said, they're mostly offcuts. It's ready to make into a pendant. Still lots of pieces to go through. I'm not going to go through them all, but that gives you an idea what you're looking at. Still a lot of pieces. Most pieces have got some sort of opal face on it or some opal in it. One that fell off the table. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.